Yiben Technology has just sent an e-reader. It's called the P47, and I think it's the lightest and smallest e-reader in the market right now. See here, Yiben. I haven't opened it, but it's imported, so the customs guys must have opened it. Tear up the packet. Not much details on the cover, on the back cover, but except for some icons, I'm guessing long battery life, eye care, and 4.7 inch. Let's open it up. It's a cat, by the way. Hello. It's very beautiful. Okay. So this is the manual. Nice. Oh wow, so nice. I love white color. You can never go wrong with white. Okay. Oh, this is nice. I really like the color. They actually sent me a photo before, and the color was different, but this is much better. I like this one, the color design. You can see it's the model p47L. So that's it, the e-reader, the USB cable, and these instructions in the user manual. As you can see, it's has 4 GB internal memory with, that's a lot, that's nice, with 128 GB MB RAM, 4.7 inch, 960 into 540 pixels, micro USB, 800 mAh battery. Okay, it supports text, EPUB, FB2, R2F, so more than the Kindle, PRC, HTML, DOC. It even supports PDF, but I doubt you'll be able to read PDFs comfortably in this size. PDF, Mobi, PTB, images too. It supports multi-languages, and it's only 100 grams. Yeah, it's very light. So that's the unboxing. That's on it. What's the power on button? I think it's okay. So it has a lot of buttons, and this is the power on button, so it's on that. See, if I'm not mistaken, I think this one has English. It's a Chinese product, but yes, as you can see, it has English. That's, yeah, awesome. English straight off the box. So the body is made of plastic, of course. It's very lightweight, and it has like a matte, as you can see, it has a matte coloring, which is nice. It's not shiny, the body, and so is the screen. It's not glossy like some of the readers out there, like you have to put a matte screen protector on top. For this one, you don't need that. This is, so there are buttons here, I think, up and down. It's same. This is the OK button, this is the menu, this is to go back, and of course that's the power button. Micro USB, I think that's for setting it, and yeah, that's it. I really like the white design of this. They actually sent me a photo of it from before sending, and the prototype had white body and like yellow buttons, and I'm so glad they changed it to this one. This is so much better, so much more aesthetically pleasing. Okay, so I'm gonna load some books into this and try it out for a week or so before I give you my review of it. So subscribe, and see you then. Bye.